Well, hey there. This is your astrological forecast for Friday, October the 8th. My name is Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel, and today is Spiritual Exam Day. What did we learn this week? We are going to be tested. But before we get started with our pop quiz, we are going to become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Breath number 2. On this second deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, we see all the negativity, all the toxicity. It's all flowing out of our bodies. All the illness, all the disease, all the dis-ease, it's all flowing out of our bodies. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light. We see it not only filling our bodies, but going out and forming a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Libra affirmation. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. We're going to say the affirmation together. We'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher self for 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation. I set my sights on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. Get those deep cleansing breaths in today. Today is Pop Quiz Day. So, to review, right before our pop quiz, we had a week where many of us are working with creative ideas, proposals, maybe a new relationship, project, career. We're working on something like that. And then on Wednesday, we had this new moon in Libra, also with Pluto going direct, giving us the energy of coming to a relationship, embracing our true authentic selves instead of compromising who we are, of holding our power, of only offering our power consciously. And then yesterday we had this Venus in Sagittarius. We want to have fun, go out dancing. Well, today, you know that project, that idea, that proposal? We have the Sun conjunct Mars. So, 3 deep cleansing breaths. Suck it up. Get the confidence. Because today is the day we present what we have been working on to the authority. Is it the other person that we're trying to form a relationship with? Are we taking it to the group for their ownership? Are we taking it to the board of directors? Are we taking it to the boss? Today is today. And we are proud. We are determined. We are confident in what we have to offer. We've been using the energy in these past weeks to do all the research, all the documentation. We've worked to make sure that we could implement this idea, this creative idea, project, proposal, whatever it is, in a practical, realistic manner. And today is the day, baby. Take that idea to the authority. Today is our day to get our idea promoted and accepted. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, one of the options was taking it to the group. There may be, remember, Mercury retrograde. So we have these energies flowing, but then we got Mercury retrograde irritating and putting up little roadblocks for us. So it might be that the group says, we don't like your idea. We've thought about it. We don't really care for it. So we might have to take that solo to the authority, solo to the board of directors, solo to the boss. We might have to do it on our own today, but we've got the confidence, we've got the determination to do this because we found our power. That's the test. Have we found our power? Are we claiming our power? Are we embracing who we are? Are we confident? Are we gonna melt into a puddle of mushy compliance and compromising ourselves? Because that's what we've done in the past, but we're not doing that anymore. Today is the test, and that's the test. So I hope we pass. I hope we pass because tomorrow, party time. The moon joins Venus in Sagittarius. So tomorrow, Saturday, is a social day, babies. We want to get out. We want to be our friends. We want to hang out. We might want to have a barbecue outside, have a picnic, do some night golfing. I don't know where that came from, but that's kind of crazy. It's a great day on Saturday. Again, it's a day to bury the hatchet. If we have caused any pain, we need to ask for forgiveness. Support is there. The energy is there to support that. So it is a wonderful Saturday, becomes a wonderful relationship day. Not only with our intimate relationship, our significant other, our partner, our lover, but also with our family, our friends, and our social circle. So we're just going to have some fun and just relax and celebrate what a good job we did and how well we passed that test on Friday. All right. There it is. There it is. And then Sunday, again, it comes around again. I'll have your weekly astrological forecast for Sunday, October the 10th, going for the next week. That will come out Sunday morning at 6 a.m. And don't forget to check in every evening at 9 p.m. for your daily astrological forecasts to help you pave the way and navigate the day tomorrow so you know what kind of energies are out there and how best to deal with them in a healthy way. All right. Cleansing waters. Wondrous universe. Traveling lightly. Okay. Well, spirits are feeling a little bit light for the weekend too. That's nice. So, but Spirit wants us to make sure we take care of ourselves this weekend, today and tomorrow. Make sure we renew ourselves. Make sure we take time out to rest, renew, rejuvenate. Make sure we take time out to connect with our higher self and get to that place of peace and connection. And we want to keep doing that on a daily routine basis. As I have said before, the more we connect with our higher self in that space, quiet, centered space, eventually we will have that experience outside of that space. As intuition, as wisdom, during the day, we'll be able to tap into that connection with our higher self whenever we need any assistance. And wondrous universe. You know, Moon in Sagittarius, Venus in Sagittarius. Come out and enjoy nature this weekend, Friday and Saturday. Feel her dirt, her grass, her changing leaves under your feet. Feel the crunch of the changing leaves. Have a great barbecue, like I mentioned before. Take a hike, do some camping, walk on the beach. Spirit says, come play in nature because I am hanging out there this weekend and I want to play with you too during this moon in Sagittarius and Venus in Sagittarius. And don't forget, you don't need all this crap in our life. So before we go on having fun with our friends this weekend, let's clean up our space, let's organize, let's pitch anything we don't need anymore. If we haven't used it in the year, that's my personal thing. If you haven't used it in a year, pitch it, toss it. Clean up our space. Our outer space reflects our inner world. So as we clean up our outer space, our inner world becomes more aligned. Also, unfortunately, as we are working on these relationships, we might want to release some relationships that we have found doing the work of the retrogrades that they no longer serve us. They don't help us learn and grow. They kind of hold us back and keep us stuck. Spirit says, okay, you can let those go now. Let those go this weekend. We don't need those anymore. But be grateful. Thank you for the lessons that you learned from those relationships. Nothing is ever wasted. But that chapter needs to close and we need to move on. So have a great Friday and Saturday. Good luck with that idea. I hope that we are successful and we get that idea, project, whatever it is, to the next level. The energy is there. And then we go celebrate with our friends in our social circle, our lover, anyone, on all our buddies on Saturday, and do it in nature because Spirit says, hey, I want to play too. So I will see you on Sunday at 6 a.m. for our weekly astrological forecast. Don't forget to come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, Life is Lived from the Inside Out. Happy weekend. Party on, Garth. Namaste.